Sasquatch, 1973.
Good. So you all right?
Yeah.
So what are you flying, Acro?
Yeah.
Now it's gonna be hard for you to go back to stabilized. You're doing great. Where is it at? Well, Robert is now flying Acro mode. He is officially a race pilot, because Acro is what you racing. Oh man, you're low. Oh, don't touch the ground. This ground is so wet. Put it in stabilized. Are you in stabilized? Don't land out here. Fly around a little bit. Whatever you want. Whoa. You got it, bud. Man, is there anything you can't do, Robert?
That's just my specialty.
Whoa. If you're gonna do a loop, you gotta go real high.
I'm probably not going to do those yet. I haven't done those.
Yeah, now come right by me. Right there, you got it. quiet. Thing flies good. I know. I forgot to turn my camera up. I forgot to tilt my camera up, so I couldn't fly real fast on my quad. All right, let's see your landing. Take it all the way down there and come in slow. Go all the way down to the soccer goal. Man, Robert, you have got to be one of the best at RC. I'm surprised you don't want to do it as much. You're flying Acro. You just flew that plane like freaking Perry does. I'm gonna have to show him this video. I bet Perry don't even land that good. Challenge him. Say, Perry, Uncle Perry, I want to challenge you to a land off, because that was picture perfect.
I don't know what I did. I did some SA bomber.
You had it up the whole time.
I don't know what I did right here. I'm like, holy mackerel. Ugh. That thing's like a fighter jet. Oh, stall it. Woo! She probably lands like a charm. That must be cool. Imagine that on FPV, Dad.
It will.
Hell
Yeah,
yeah.
this thing's fast, Rob.
How about you bring her in for landing?
I'm still flying her. I'll let you fly it, but it is fast.
You sound like Perry. Is that, it's like sky limit? I can't see this darn thing. Coming in?